Hello, my name is Anazar Priatna and I will show you how to measure the current in circuit by using multimeter. Okay, you must prepare a multimeter and LED circuit. Okay, first put the black probe to negative pole and second put the red probe into positive pole. After that, disconnect the cable circuit and then connect the cable circuit to the multimeter. And then let's see. The multimeter show the value of current. The value of current is 25 milliampere. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.